Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another video, and in this video we are going to be doing an unprofessional unboxing. So if you have been following along in this channel, you know sometimes I do unprofessional unboxings. Not very often, just sometimes. Although I do get a lot of stuff from Amazon, I should be doing that more often. I buy a lot of gadgets, but from now onwards I have decided that I'll be doing sometimes these fun unprofessional unboxings. So the first thing is, what do you need for an unboxing? Now just like Jerry Rigg's everything says, a glass is a glass, it can break. Similarly, we need a knife. A knife is a knife and it can cut. So a kitchen knife will surely work. What is the next thing that we need to do an unboxing? Of course, a box. There we go, delivered from Amazon. So let's do an unprofessional unboxing. And first, find out a best place to make sure that your knife goes up. Usually, I'm gonna go roughly like that, without even worried about is it gonna work or not. And that's how everybody does unboxing. Come on, get out. Surprise, surprise! It's a double unboxing. I didn't expect that. There are a lot of seals on this box. Looks like a nuclear weapon is being delivered. And this is the third box that we're gonna do an unboxing. Come on, this is like unboxing inside an unboxing inside an unboxing. It reminds me of a movie. Can you comment down below which movie is that? Ta-da! Finally unboxed a box. And there we go. Who cares about this? And there we go. This is what we are having, a Scarlett machine. So let's try to open that up. Probably we don't need a knife this time. There we go. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the main product that we are talking about in here. So can you go aside and let's talk about this guy. From where it's gonna open up. Woohoo! So this is your Focusrite machine. Looks amazing from top, bottom, left, right, wherever you go. And this is how it looks. You know that already. It's amazing. So this is the main hero of the story, the Scarlett 2i2. There we go. And this is one here. No need of that. We got a really nice mount for the mic. Okay, I like that. A pair of headphones, and there's fun stuff about these headphones. That look at this how big this guy is. But luckily it has got this mount so that this can become a tiny guy, but obviously we'll be using it in this way, so there we go. And the next thing that you get is a nice mic. I'm not pretty sure that I'll be using it or not, or will be upgrading in the future, but there we go. You got your Scarlett, and it looks nice, feels nice. And there we go. Oh, it's a long cable. It's a really long cable with, you know what it's, I hope many of you do. And finally, one more wire, and come on, get out. Do we have anything else? Nope, some paperwork which nobody absolutely cares about. I have absolutely no idea why everybody shows that there is a paperwork. Yes, there's a paperwork, that's it, then throw it away. I really think that sometimes even the company guys don't even read that kind of paperwork. So there we go. And this is the cable. So by the way, in case you are wondering, this small cable goes from here to the computer. This gigantic big cable goes in mic to the Scarlett. And there you go. There your headphones are. How does it look? That is amazing. That is amazing. It feels really good, but I'm not sure whether I'll be using it or will be switching back to Audio Technica. But anyways, this is your unboxing with the kitchen knife. So I think that's it. And that's your unprofessional unboxing of Scarlett 2i2. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel in case you want to have more fun with the tech stuff. And I'm going to surely catch you up in the next video.
Rudolph, my dear.